Next topic natin is inverse Laplace by partial fraction decomposition. So meron tayong problem. Find the inverse Laplace of s minus 1 over s squared minus 4. So ang first step natin is simplify natin yung equation. So pag mag-solve tayo ng mathematics, so dapat ang equation natin is naka-simplest form para hindi mahirap yung pag-solve. So i-simplify natin to. So guys, sa differential calculus, integral calculus, so pag mag-integrate ka, so dapat yung ini-integrate mo is naka-simplest form. So ganun din sa inverse Laplace. So ito is simplify natin. So pag nakikita kang yung numerator, yung denominator, yung degree ng exponent is nasa s squared. Then dito sa numerator is yung degree ng exponent is nasa first degree. Ayan, first degree, saka ito is second degree. So pag makita mong 1 degree lower yung numerator sa denominator, so pwede mo siyang i-solve by partial fraction. So ulitin natin na pag nakita mong mas mababa yung degree ng numerator kaysa sa degree ng denominator by 1. So by 1 degree. Pwede mo siyang i-solve by partial fraction or i-simplify by partial fraction. So the inverse Laplace is equal to s minus 1. So ito is factor mo to, itong denominator. So magiging s minus 2 times s plus 2. So ang equivalent partial fraction decomposition niya is s minus 1 over s minus 2 times s plus 2 is equals to a over s minus 2 plus b over s plus 2. So, kung matatandaan nyo ang equation, for example, meron tayong equation ax squared plus bx plus c. Kung titingnan natin, ito is nasa first degree. So, pag sinabing first degree, yung exponent ng variable. So, ito is nasa first degree. Ito, nasa first degree. So, dapat, ang numerator is 1 degree lower. So, kung ito is nasa S, ito yan. Ito siya, nasa B na siya. So, 1 degree lower is constant C. So, gagamitin natin ng constant natin, gagawin natin A. Okay, so ito, S plus C, ito siyang form na to. Yung bx plus c na yan. So 1 degree lower yung numerator. So ito na lang yung kukunin natin, c. So since nagamit na natin yung a, gamitin natin yung b. So next step is multiply natin by LCD, least common denominator. So pag multiply natin yan by LCD, ito ang LCD niyan, ito. So, multiply natin by LCD. So, magiging siyang s minus 1 is equals to as plus 2 plus bs minus 2. So, another is, ang shortcut niyan, since ito is magkaiba yung factor nila, so, pwede mo na lang siya i-cross multiply. So, ito is magiging as plus 2 then bs minus 2. So, cross multiply lang since dalawa lang naman yung term na to. Itong term saka itong term. Magkaiba yung LCD nila ay yung denominator nila. So, cross multiply nyo na lang. Then, so, meron na tayong equation na ito. Ito, general equation natin. So, ang goal natin is mahanap natin yung A and B. So, yung constant A and B. So to find A, ang una natin is hanapin natin yung A. Hanapin natin yung A. Ang goal natin is ma-eliminate natin yung B. So kung mapapansin nyo, paano natin eliminate yung B? Substitute natin na S positive 2. Kung S positive 2, ito is mawawala. So ang matitira is ito. So try natin. Solve natin yan. So eliminate natin yung B. Eliminate natin yung B. So eliminate natin yung B. Ang matitira is itong equation na to. So since walang walang S, gawin natin siyang C. Alpha C minus 1 equals. So isulat lang natin yung equation. Then yung hinahanap natin na A, gawin natin X. Then S plus 2. C plus 2. So, hindi na natin isasama tong B kasi magiging 0 yan. Magiging 0. So, pag S positive 2, so ito is magiging 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then, since na-write ko na yung equation, shape solve. So, yung S ginawa nating C. So, lagay natin S is equals to 2 or S is equal to 2 or C is equal to 2 equals, then solve for X. So, yung A, ginawa nating X. Kung ano yung hinahanap, gagawin nating X. So, 0.25. A is equals to 1/4. So, next step, eliminate natin yung B. So, to find B, eliminate A. So, substitute. So, paano natin ma-eliminate yung A? So, gawin natin. So, paano natin ma-eliminate yung A? So, substitute natin S is equals to negative 2. So, ito is negative 2 plus 2, 0. So, mawawala na to. So, ito yung isusulat natin. Ito, saka ito. So, edit ko na lang tong equation. Edit na lang natin to. So, C minus 1. Then, yung A mawawala. Then, magiging yung B gagawin nating X S minus 2. So, magiging siyang C minus 2. Then, shape solve. So, C is negative 2. So, yung C, yan yung S natin. So, S is negative 2 para makancel yung A. Then, solve for X equals. So, 0.75. B is 3/4. So, ngayon, back substitution. So, i-write na natin yung A and B na constant. So, inverse Laplace, bracket 1/4 over S minus 2 plus 3/4 over S plus 2. So, meron na tayong, yung A is 1/4. Ito yan. Ito, saka ito. Yung B is 3/4. Ito, saka ito. So, ilabas natin yung mga constant. So, 1/4 inverse the plus ng 1 over S minus 2 plus 3/4. Inverse the plus 1 over S plus 2. So, ngayon, titingnan natin yung table. So, ano ba yung may 1 saka mayroong S? So, alin ba yung may 1? So, ito lang yung may 1 saka S. So, tandaan nyo tong e raised to ax. Tandaan nyo tong e raised to ax. So, from the table, Laplace ng e raised to ax is equals to 1 over s minus a. So, ang equation natin is 1/4. Inverse Laplace ng 1 over s minus 2 plus 3/4. Inverse Laplace ng 1 over s plus 2. So, nilabas lang natin yung constant na numerator. So kunin natin yung, so hanapin natin yung a. So, equate natin. So, negative A is equals to negative 2. Dito rin. Kunin natin yung A. Yung parehong A sa table, saka sa problem. So, negative A is equals to negative 2. So, A is positive 2. Then, dito sa kabila, kunin natin yung negative A. Negative A is equals to positive 2. A is equals to negative 2. So, the inverse Laplace, bracket s minus 1 over s squared minus 4 is equals to 1/4 e raised to, ano ba yung a? So, e raised to 2x. So, plus 3/4 e. Then, ano ba yung a? E raised to negative 2x. So, yan yung answer. So, ganyan pagkuha ng inverse Laplace. So, problem number 2. Find the inverse Laplace ng 1 over s cubed plus 3s squared plus 2s. So, simplifying, 1 over s. So, common yung s, pwede natin ilabas. So, s, quantity s squared plus 3s plus 2. Then ito, factor natin. Factor mo to. So, magiging siyang, ang factor niya is s plus 1, s plus 2. So, yan yung factor niya nitong quadratic equation. So, yung roots niya is non-repeated. So, ang equation is, di ba ang form ng equation is, so, ang quadratic is a x squared plus bx plus c. So, solve natin by partial fraction. So, ang s is magiging siyang, since ito na yung s, so 1 degree lower, ito yung c. So, gagawin natin a kasi yan yung unang constant. So, a over s. Then, plus s plus 1. So, ito yun, itong dalawa. So, 1 degree lower dapat yung numerator. So, constant yung numerator. So, b over s plus 1. b ang ginamit natin kasi nagamit na natin yung a. So, plus. So, s plus 2, ito yan. So, 1 degree lower yung numerator. So, c na lang. So, c over s plus 2. So, next step is multiply natin by LCD. So, pag tig-multiply mo yan ng LCD, itong equation na to, magiging 1 na lang yan. Then, so, paano natin makukuha to? So, cover lang natin to. Pag tig-multiply natin yon, pag tig-multiply natin itong equation na to by LCD, so, cover lang natin yung s. So, mawala yung s. So, ang matitira is s plus 1, s plus 2. So, sabi naman, cover natin tong denominator. So, ang matitira is s plus 2. So, ito naman sa kabila. So, cover natin tong denominator ng c. Ang matitira is s plus 1. So, yan na yung general equation. Then, first step natin is eliminate natin yung a. So, eliminate natin yung a. So, paano natin eliminate yung a? To eliminate a. So, focus tayo dito. Eliminate a. So, pwede tayo mag-substitute. S is equals to negative 1 or S is equals to negative 2. So, pag nag-substitute ka nyan, ng value na yan, ito is magiging 0. Magiging 0 na to. So, ang matitira is ito. Itong dalawa. So, try na natin yung S is equals to negative 1. So, pag ginamit natin S is equals to negative 1, may eliminate yung A. May eliminate yung A, may eliminate yung B. So, magiging 0 to, magiging 0 din to, matitira is B. So, magiging equation natin is 1 over ds, quantity S plus 2. So, try natin, solve natin by calculator technique. So, 1 is equals to, so yung B, gawin natin X, kasi yan yung hinahanap. Then, times S, yung S gawin natin C. Then, C plus 2. So, input lang natin. Then, shift, solve. So, yung C, gawin natin negative 1. Yung C is S yun C is S. So, negative 1. So, ayan. So, B is negative 1. So, eliminate B. So, pag eliminate natin yung B, so, pwede focus tayo dito sa B. So, eliminate B. So, pwede tayong S is equals to 0, then S is equals to negative 2. So, pag S is equals to negative 2, magiging 0 ito. Kung X naman is 0, so, multiply mo by 0. Ayan. So, kahit alin dyan. So, try natin yung negative 2. So, pag nag-substitute tayo ng negative 2, so, mawawala yung B, mawawala din yung A. So, mas maganda sa isang substitution. So, marami kayong ma-eliminate. So, mas maganda yon. So, S is equals to negative 2. Try natin yon. So, kung S is equals to negative 2, so, mawawala to, matitira yung C. So, matitira to. So, ang magiging equation natin is 1 over 1 is equals to so matitira yung C. So what if gamitin natin yung 0? So pag 0 yung ginamit natin na value ng S, so mawawala to. So ito yung magiging equation natin. So pinakita ko lang yung possibilities. So mamili na lang kayo dyan. So kung 0 ang gagamitin natin, mawawala tong dalawa. So, sulat natin tong equation na to. Ayan. So, magiging siyang 1 alpha equals, then, yung A gagawin natin X, kasi yan yung hinahanap, times, yung S gagawin natin C. So, yan yung mga notation. Recall C plus 1. Quantity recall C plus 2. Then, shift solve. Magtatanong ng value ng C, lagay natin 0. Solve for X equals. So, naka 0.5. So, A is equals to 0.5. To eliminate B and A, find C. Eliminate B and A to find C. So, gagawin natin, substitute natin na negative 2 kasi meron tong common yung S plus 2. S plus 2, S plus 2. So, mawawala yung A and B kapag ginamit natin yung S is equals to negative 2. So, ang matitira is yung C. So, ang matitira is C. So, sulat natin yon. So, magiging siyang 1 is equals to CS quantity S plus 1. So, same process lang. Ito na yung lalabas. So, try nyo yung solve to. So, meron na tayong mga values. So, the inverse Laplace ng bracket ng 1 over S times S plus 1 times S plus 2 is equals to 1/2 over S minus 1 over S plus 1 plus 1/2 over S plus 2. So, labas natin yung constant. So, magiging siyang 1/2 inverse Laplace ng 1 over S minus inverse Laplace ng 1 over S plus 1 plus 1/2 inverse Laplace ng 1 over s plus 2. So, ito is familiar na kayo dito. So, from sample number 1, so, gagamitin natin yung Laplace ng e raised to ax. So, is equal to 1 over s minus a. So, kunin natin yung a sa una is negative a. Tapos, is equals to positive 1. So, a is equals to negative 1. Then, dito, negative a, dito galing. So, then, sa a naman dito sa problem, so, positive 2. So, negative a is equals to positive 2. A is equals to negative 2. Then, ito is 1 over s. So, ano ba yung 1 over s? Tingnan natin yung 1 over s. So, 1 over s is positive 1. Ayan. 1 over s is positive 1. So, magiging siyang 1/2 minus e raised to negative 1x plus 1/2 e raised to negative 2x. So, yan yung pagkuha ng inverse Laplace.